Hi. Hey guys, so I wanted to show what was in the June budget box by P Louise. I have already been in here, so I've kind of been playing with a couple things. We get one of these brushes. This is the 681 by P Louise, of course. We get the Rumor base in number 6, which these are pretty much the only base I use. And if I was still working as a makeup artist, I would definitely be keeping a full shade range of these in my kit. We get the Cute in Coral Cosmetic Base. I do already have this. However, I've wanted to use it as a cream blush and I haven't because I don't want to run out of it. However, now I have two, so that's awesome. Now I'll definitely be able to use it as a cream blush, which I'm very excited for. I've seen it on P Louise's TikTok and it's very beautiful. And then you do get two of the eyebrow paints. You get to select your colors. I selected Hazelnut Latte and Mochaccino. I tried them in my eyebrows last night. They seem pretty nice. I'm not sure if they have the same ingredients as the regular cosmetic bases because it does say, or cosmetic paints, because it does say cosmetic paint up in the side here. So I'm not sure if it's the same as like the limelight consistency or like the blank canvas. I should look into that for sure. The star of the show, I suppose, P. Louise recently launched a brow balm. It's called the Hot Shot Brow Balm. This sold out on their website. It comes with a spoolie and the brow balm, of course. I thought this was really cute. It's just in this little tiny it almost looks like an espresso shot. I think that's what they're going for. I might be wrong, but I think that's why it's called Hot Shot. And I did play around with this a little bit. I'm not super well versed in brow balms because I've never really I never used them on clients. It was always like back in the day we did like clear mascaras. So I'm not super well versed in this. I'm definitely gonna be playing with it a bit and let me know if you guys want to see a review or anything. I can tell you that it does hold very well. But other than that, I just wanted to come on and do a super quick video to show you guys what was in the budget box for June. They're super inexpensive for everything you get, and I think it's worth it. I mean, even though I'm more than familiar with the P. Louise brand and I do have the one cosmetic base, I did get multiple items that I don't have. So unless you have every single thing that they've launched, I would, I would maybe look into picking one up for sure. I think this might be their last month they're doing them, unfortunately. However, if they get enough requests, I'm assuming they'll probably be able to launch some more. So maybe another month or two, who knows. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!